how to download the new Microsoft Edge Beta web browser. But before I start, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to never miss out on any future videos. Feel free to pause or rewind the video at any point. The first thing that we are going to do is go to any web browser on your computer. Next, you are going to go to bing.com. Next, you are going to go to bing.com. Then type in the URL new Microsoft Edge Beta or Windows Insider. I'll leave the link in the description below to their website. I'm going to scroll down, and it's going to be this one right here, Microsoft Edge Insider. I'm going to click it, and it's going to bring you to this website. The next step we are going to do is we are going to press this blue button right here that says Download Beta Channel for Windows 10. I'm going to click it. And then once you read it, you're then going to press Accept and Download. Press Open. Or Save As, or whatever it shows up on your computer. Then it's just going to start downloading it. How you'll know it is done downloading: it will automatically open a newly installed browser. Alright, the next step is I'm going to wait for it to load. And just like that, you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you download the new Microsoft Edge Beta. Please kindly provide your feedback in the comment section below. This will help me improve. And don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to never miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you.